we are doing it very well, and let's to continue with a very simple migration, that is the categories migration. So as usual, let's go to our code, go to the categories migration. Just remember that the password migration was included by default with the Laravel code, and in fact we don't need to do any kind of change here. So let's continue with the categories, and we just need to add two new fields that are the name and the description, both of them strings. We have the name and the description. By default, the strings has 255 characters as a maximum length, so that can be a little small for a description. So let's to change that to, for example, 1000 characters. So we are done now with the migration for categories. I said that is gonna be easy, and let's to continue with the following migration. See you in the next class.